Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using a backup app, a third-party app for making backups of your system, well, Microsoft finally confirms that the update for Patch Tuesday of April did break the ability for many pieces of software to do their jobs and create a backup. So they are saying that a fix is on the way. Some of it might be a fix through the software you're using to create the backup. But this comes after you have installed KB5083769. Some people that have that problem say when they remove the update, the backups start working again fine. So it is a problem that Microsoft does acknowledge, and that there will be a fix for that coming soon. There is a registry hack that can be done, and if you have the problem with the backup, that registry hack actually brings your software, makes it work again in doing their backups without having to uninstall the update itself. So it's better to keep it because it is Patch Tuesday, and it was a pretty big one with a lot of security fixes. So what I'll do is I'll share the link to a Neowin article in the description below that shows you a registry hack that you can do, and that will fix your backup software if there is a problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.